So here's a little video of how you make seamoss gel from seamoss in its raw, dried state. So if you don't know what seamoss is packed full of 92 minerals. There's 102 minerals which are essential to sustain life. This is really high in there. You've also got antioxidants in there. We buy this from the Atlantic coast, off the coast of Ireland. The reason why we use Chondrus Crispus, and it's also, you'll notice a difference, it's purple rather than a golden colour. It's grown in cold Irish waters, makes it a little bit hardier, it packs it full more of antioxidants. The benefits of which, it's a natural decongestant, which means it can help remove phlegm, mucus. It's high in minerals, as I say, so you've got the likes of iodine in there. It's good for thyroid health. There's a whole host of other benefits. Feel free to have a Google or even check out feelsupreme.co.uk. Check our blog, and here's what we need to turn it into the gel. So this is some of the Chondrus Crispus seamoss, and the preparation for this is that we've left this to soak for 24 hours after giving it a thorough clean. What we'll do next is remove that water and use some boiling water. So what we do next is we take that cleaned seamoss and just add pre-boiled water, which will help just break it down and turn it more into a gel-like substance. So as you can see, it's now become a bit thicker, a bit more gel-like, and then we go to the final step, which is adding it to a high-speed blender. So once you've poured your seamoss, leave that to set and cool down. Put it in the fridge, and then you've got 3 weeks to consume, either straight off the spoon, in smoothies, soups, and just get those full 92 minerals of goodness inside.